Welcome back to my channel Educationhub.48.
Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between 2 plates. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Sauté. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Add. I like to add milk to my tea.
Thanks for watching Education Hub.48. Subscribe for more videos.